Hi everyone, we are doing palette bingo today, and this is what we are doing. I mean, it is so much fun. These are all the colorful cards from the bingo deck, and I'm gonna pick some colors, well, some numbers, and we are going to shuffle them and play with them because the palette has 18 colors, and that's the Nomad Cosmetics. It is the Haunted Europe palette, and we're going to see how pretty the colors is. The colors are so beautiful. So we are going to use these 18 cards and we're going to shuffle them, and we are going to pick four cards, because I want to do a four color eyeshadow look today. So here we are, let's shuffle, and we are shuffling, and we are gonna pick our first color. First card, first color. And card number 10. So we pick card number 10. So we will pick the 10th color from the palette. Now we are going to pick a second card, and the second card is number 3. So we'll pick number 3 color from the palette. We are playing with colors today. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna shuffle again. We want to make sure we get some good numbers here. So let's see. This is fun. Okay, and now we're picking our third card, and that's number 8. And then that'll be the F color from the palette. So we're picking our last card, and that card is number 14. And that'll be the 14th shade from the 18 pan palette. And here we are picking our first color, which is 10, number 10. So here we go. Okay, so we pick our number 10 color. Yeah, and that's it. Yep. Now number 2 color, which is number 3 from the card deck. So 1, 2, 3. So that's our third color. And now we're heading for third color, which is 8, and we need number 8 color in the pan palette, and we're counting. Yeah, here we go. Oh my god, this is so excited. Here is the number 4. We are going to have our fourth color, and it's number 14, so we're gonna have to pick the 14th shade out of that palette. Okay, and it is the brown. Okay, so now we have our 4 colors to create a 4 color eyeshadow look. There are 4 brushes. I have 2 flat, and I have 2 fluffy brushes, so we can work with that. So we have 2 mattes and 2 shimmers, and we're ready to play with some colors. Let's get busy. Yeah. This is exciting. Yep, so I have my base on, and now we're ready. So I'm putting down the first color, and that's in the outer corner, and that is the shade number 14, and it is called Drag Castle. So I'm just packing the colors on. Like I said before, I have oily lids, so I never set my base. I use my eyeshadow to set my base. If you like this kind of bingo game, leave me in the comments what is a better way to do it, and if you like it, and I'll be doing some more. So enjoy. Let's just have fun and put on makeup. Now I'm going to use my second color, which is the number 8 color in the palette, which is called Frankenstein, and it's an orange pumpkin color, and it is very beautiful, and that is a matte. The first color, brown, is a matte, and this orange is a matte color also, and I'm putting that in the inner corner of my eyes, and I am just packing it and bringing it towards the brown so I can get them close together. And then once I do all the packing of the color, then I'll be able to blend it. So now I'm on the second eye and I'm using the pumpkin color and I'm putting it in the inner corner, and again I'm gonna join it to the brown. And the colors apply so well, so seamlessly. I mean, no fuss. I mean, the colors just fix themselves, which I like. The palette is cute and the colors are working really well. And so I like that. I like that very much. Again, give me a like and a comment on the Bingo palette. This is what they're looking like now with the two colors on so far. I am going to take the brush and then I'm just marrying the two colors together, blending them together to make them seamless. And see how easy it's happening. Very little effort. And now I'm going to do a shimmer, which is my third color. But when I pull the cards, that color is called Big Bad Wolf, and I picked that was my 10th color in the palette, and it's like a lilac, like a little purple lilac, but it has a black base and it has zero fallout. Zero fallout. You can do your base first and then put that color and you'll have no fallout. That's how well it is. It is really, really nice. I like it. And as you can see, I'm putting it from one side. I'm putting from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner on my lids, and zero fallout. It's all the colors are just so nice, so pretty, blends well, no hard work. Now I'm using my fourth color, which is the third color in the palette, and it's called Highgate Cemetery, and that was the color I picked with the card number 3. And I'm just putting that in my brow bone with my finger, and again this is a shimmer also, and it picks up really well on my eyes, and I am just blending it with my finger so it can look seamless with the orange. It is very, very pretty. It's sparkly but not too sparkly. It's very nice. Now I'm just taking the brush so I can make it blend a little better and to get it to blend with the orange and the brown, and I am loving it. This is so pretty, very, very pretty. So let me know if you like these types of videos, and in the comment let me know what else I can do with the palette bingos, because there'll be a lot of palette bingos. So throw me some ideas in the comments and I'll incorporate it in the videos to come. What beautiful color. Here it is, complete eye look. See how beautiful all the colors work together. I mean, take a look. And then I took the color from the brow bone and put it in the inner tear duct. These are the 4 colors, 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. How pretty. I mean, it's just gorgeous. I love it. I love it. It's very pretty. I'm just telling you again where I put each color. And the first color, I put it on the lid, and the second color I put it on in my brow bone right there. So I'm just showing you again, and those colors, that's the orange, and that was my number 8 color, and here it is in the inner side of my thing. And the brown I am putting in my outer corner, and so gorgeous and pretty. The Nomad palette, the Haunted Europe. If you like that palette, I don't know if they still have it, but if you come across it, it's worth it. I'm using blush by Flory Roberts. It's called the Papaya Punch. I'm having a little trouble because opening it. Here it is, how pretty it is, and that's my blush. And my lip combo is by Juvia's Place, the soy lipstick and a brown lip liner. And those are the two things I use on my lip today to create this beautiful look. I mean, it is pretty. Oh, I'm checking my teeth, make sure I have no lipstick before I show you my pretty lips color. This is too funny. Oh my God. And that's it. I think that's it. And today's encouraging word is by Henry Ford. And it reads, even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. And I'm just showing you the cards again. And the bingo cards are just so cute. I love it. And these are the colors again. Two mattes, two shimmers. And always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I Simply Makeup is saying be fabulous, be beautiful, be wonderful. And I'm just showing you the look again at a different angle so you can really see how the colors came out so nice. And my eyebrow was this brown pencil. It's not black today, it's brown. I used a black before, but then today I use brown. So stay fabulous and have a fantastic time again, and I'll see you again. Bye. Thank you for watching.